Hi and welcome. If you're new here, welcome. I hope we can earn your subscription today. This video is short, but to show you what is happening with the Start and Bing apps. The apps had been coming together. Then when New Bing was released, they kind of separated, and the Bing app had all the New Bing stuff, and there were a lot of different changes that existed between the two apps. And I'm going to show you what's happening now with the new release of the Start app. Okay, so I normally keep my desktop blank, but I've added the Bing and Start apps to the desktop, and I'm going to show you the differences between the two. I'm going to first open up the Bing app, and now that it is open, I'm going to slide it over here to the left, and I'll open up the Start app. So what you can see here is that both apps look identical, at least from the main home view. I will show you the way that it looked just after the new Bing came out. Now, this is quite a bit different. As you can see, the profile icon on Bing had moved up to the top, and on Start it's down at the bottom. And then in the center, you see that, of course, the Bing has the Bing icon, and Start has the Start icon in the center bottom row. Now we're back to the way it looks today, and everything has realigned as far as the look and feel. And this has been Microsoft's goal, to have everything look and feel the same when accessing content, no matter what your access points are. And it was a little troubling because this difference remained in place for almost 3 weeks. So I'm going to open up the app screen on both, the app launcher, and you can see here that they both are the same. Nothing has changed here. Now we'll scroll down and look at what's pinned on both, and you can see everything is the same. There's no differences here on the app launcher screens. So what I'll do is I'll just pull these up out of the way and get back out to the main home screens. Now, while everything is the same within the app, there are still differences in the widgets. And oddly enough, the differences have changed there. So let me go to the widgets and show you. All right, let's get the Start and Bing apps out of the way so we can get back to the desktop. And then we'll press and hold the desktop and bring up the configuration. And then down at the bottom, I'll select widgets. Now let's take a look at the Bing widgets. Now, as we scroll across here, we're going to see that there are 14 widgets. Now let's jump down to Start and see what we have here. The difference here is we have 12 widgets in Start, missing the 2 reward widgets. Otherwise, all is the same. Okay, as you can see, we're now kind of back into alignment. They've added an additional widget. Now there are 2 more widgets that are Bing related than Start related. So it's kind of looking like Bing might be the app to use, though I was thinking Start should be the app to use and Bing was going to be pushed aside. But anyway, we'll see what happens with these 2 apps in the future, and I'll try to keep you updated. Thanks for watching.